We're going to discuss. Hello friends, welcome back to the Rajkumar Mal YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss or we are going to install and set up the Zoom. So without any let's start the video. First of all, I open my Google Chrome. When I open my Google Chrome, I just click on this and here, yes, and I go on the new tab and just google.com. First of all, I like to open the Google official website, and in this search button I will search at the Zoom, Zoom, and just I hit enter. When I hit enter, and this website is come, and when you scroll down the website zoom.us, yes, in this this is the official website of the Zoom. So here in this zoom.us website, just click on the download, and when you click on this download, the download center come, and you just when you click on this, just download, and the download automatically happen. So now here my Zoom is installed, so I had to set up it. So just I click on this button and open its setup, as it will automatically set up in the few seconds, and here my Zoom is going to be set up in the few seconds. So just wait for a minute, here it will set up. And if you had any I will also provide the link in the description, through which you can directly go to the website and download it. Now it has initialized, and now this is come, and I just click on this done, because it will automatically done here. Now if you like to sign in, then sign in. Then I like to sign in, because if I sign in, then I will able to put the picture and something in the Zoom meeting. So I just click on the sign in, and I continue with the Google. When I continue with the Google, my Opera browser is come on. And if you have doesn't seen the video that I have posted about the yes, install and setup of Opera browser, you may also see that which link is on the I button. I just click on this Google account, and it is yes, it is sign in. Now the Zoom is going to be the sign in, yes, and here the official website of Zoom is come, and I just click on this and I just click on this and the launch Zoom. As here it will officially redirect as open Zoom meeting. When I click on this launch Zoom, and it will say for the open Zoom meeting, and when the Zoom meeting is open, then it's open. And now we have not only install and sign up, we have successfully signed in also. So now in that way, just you can when you click on the any link of the Zoom, then it will directly go to the meeting. If here is the chats, meeting, other thing as setting related to the chat. If you want to if you want the video related to the Zoom prank or anything related to the Zoom, about the fun and how to edit the yes, what are the setting on the Zoom, then you can comment me, and I will also make the video for it. Now we have just to install, setup, and sign in. If you want to create a Zoom meeting, then just click on this new Zoom, and here my camera is blurred. Now it is right time. So here is the Zoom meeting is started, and now here the Zoom meeting is started, and due to some of the error, it has been also work. And here my Zoom meeting, as you ever see that how my Zoom meeting, here is the every option, and now as I'm going to just in for all. In that way you can also create the Zoom meeting, and you can also schedule for the meeting that you are going to be on. So hope you all can now install and set up the Zoom meeting without any problem, and you can also sign in. I have also sign in through the Google. Now that much for today, and I will present with the another video. Till then, bye bye.